Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to earn money online, different ways to make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video.
Did you know that posting reviews on the music you listen to potentially earn you money? Listening to music is one of the many methods to get money online. Simply by registering for the websites listed in this advice, you can significantly increase your pocket money. Why are you paid by these websites? Such websites compensate consumers for reviewing the music of up-and-coming musicians. These websites ask for input from a variety of users to assist musicians find the direction their song should take. What's expected of me? Actually, it's fairly simple. Simply sign up for the websites and make a profile. You can begin working once your profile has been approved. You have two tasks to complete: listening and reviewing. Write reviews about new and upcoming artists after listening to their music. You make more money the more you listen. Websites that sell music. The following websites will pay you to listen to radio and music. 1. MusicXray. A portal called MusicXray allows musicians to contribute their tunes and get paid for doing so. It's a website that links talent scouts with artists. By submitting their songs to the site and gaining followers, these musicians pay a specific amount to market their music and grow a fan base. For the purpose of listening to their preferred music, users can register as fans. The website then pays these users or fans to listen to the music of such amateur musicians. The majority of the recordings last just 30 seconds. Only PayPal is used by MusicXray to pay its users. They give users 10 cents for each song. The minimum payout requirement is $20. 2. Push playlist. How awesome would it be to be able to evaluate music while also getting paid to listen to them? You can accomplish it by using Playlist Push. The platform's goal is to assist up-and-coming vocalists and independent artists in their endeavors. This website is for you if you believe you have an excellent ear for music and are skilled at writing evaluations. You must be the owner of a playlist on either Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music to be eligible for the Curator program. Additionally, you should have a sizable following. Otherwise, your application can be turned down. A superb pay rate is provided by Playlist Push. You will be paid $12 for each song you review. Payments are sent directly to your bank account. 3. CurrentUS. You may earn about $600 a year by using the Android and iOS mobile software CurrentUS to play music on your phone. If you want to make money as you listen to music, this is one of the most fruitful apps. You can make money while you work at the office, jog, or even as you commute. In essence, you are paid for using the app by accumulating points. More money will be made the more you tap on the app's music or other features. It will only get better because they keep adding more and more ways to earn money. Your points can be used to purchase gift cards, download songs for offline listening, or pay out using PayPal. 4. Radio Earn. If you want to make money while you listen to the radio, Radio Earn is a terrific resource. You begin by creating a profile, and once you've done that, you can begin listening and making money. You can incorporate the radio on your website so that visitors can listen to it. You can also generate passive income by choosing this option. Points are awarded every 15 minutes. Then, the value of those points is changed to US dollars. Every month, payments are made through PayPal. 5. Research FM. You can get paid by the music research company Research FM to advise radio stations on what genres of music to play. In essence, the business emails a survey to its customers. 6. Hit Predictor. Another excellent music research business that pre-tests songs before airing them is Hit Predictor. Users receive payment in exchange for listening to music and providing reviews. Users only need to sign up, select their preferred genre, listen to the offered sample, and give it a rating. Customers receive points from the company. You receive 3 points, $1, or 3 points, for each song you rate. When you have a sufficient number of points, you can trade them in for rewards like Amazon gift cards. By ranking musicians, users can also profit. 7. Cash 4 Minutes. A website called Cash 4 Minutes compensates its users for making calls and listening to the radio. Users register for an account and enter their contact details, including a landline number. You receive emails with corresponding tasks to complete after finishing your profile. Users have the choice to tune in to any currently broadcasting radio station. Listeners of Cash 4 Minutes receive about $0.08 every minute. Payments can be made via PayPal, Bitcoin, Litecoin, or you can use Amazon gift cards to get your money back. 8. Earnably. A paid-to-do website called Earnably pays its members for doing certain jobs. Users must finish tasks for which they receive points. You receive a varied number of points for finishing each assignment. These activities can include listening to the radio, watching commercials or music videos, or doing surveys. Users of Earnably are paid via PayPal, Bitcoin, and Amazon gift cards. The bare minimum withdrawal amount is $2 or 225 points. 9. Collect FM. Founded in the Netherlands, Collect FM is a firm that connects global curators with music brands and creators. You can sign up for Collect as a curator to become a member of the expert community. Working closely with brands and providing input on their music, songs is what a curator does. They will also count on you to offer advice and share your professional judgment. Collect anticipates the curators will have the necessary professional background. This chance isn't for you if you don't have a track record that has been proved. As we discover them, we'll keep expanding the list with new websites and applications. 10. Slice the Pie. Slice the Pie is undoubtedly one of the most well-known platforms that provide the possibility to get paid for listening to music, and it offers this service. Since its launch in 2007, the website has amassed over 2 million reviewers, and hundreds more sign up every day. A website called Slice the Pie will pay you to listen to music. By evaluating and analyzing the music you hear, you can make money. Create an account and start listening to music to get started. Write a review and give it a rating when you find the music you enjoy. But before you can rate a song, begin writing a brief review, or comment on what you liked or didn't like about specific music. You must listen to it for at least 90 seconds. Slice the Pie pays around 0.2 cents per song review, but these earnings can scale up and go as high as 0.2 cents review if you maintain consistency. The older your account gets, the more reviews you'll be able to participate in. Try to be specific about the various aspects of the track while submitting a review. The payments are sent over instantly for each review and you can withdraw your earnings twice per week, via PayPal. However, you'll need to touch at least $10 worth of withdrawal limit before transferring your cash.